Hello guys, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So guys, today we are going to create this simple tiffin box and spices box in SolidWorks. So let's see how we create this model in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. And in this tutorial I will explain how to use shell command, extrude cut and many more. So look how we create, and later we apply the material and make the short animation for this model. So look how we assemble this design and we create the animate explode. So later I will show you how we do this. So we create this part first. So go to the file, now select new, here we select part, okay. Now here we create a sketch. So we change the background to plain white and make sure the dimension in millimeter, okay. Here we are better to select top plane, right click, sketch, normal. Here we select circle and we create a circle from this origin point of 200 diameter. So exit this sketch, go to the smart dimension and make it 200 dia, sorry not 2000, make only 200. Okay, and here we make the extrude this sketch. So go to the feature, now select extrude boss base and make the extrude up to only 50 mm. So make it 50. Okay, and we create a sketch on this face. So select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here we select circle. Now we select this center point and select the circle up to here. So here we create 3 circle. So select circle again, now select this one up to here, again select this circle and create third circle. So select this center point and create this one up to here. Now we go to the smart dimension. The first circle will be 60 dia, so make it 60. Okay, and this second circle, so make it 76 dia, and the last one, so select and make it 184. So make it 184 diameter. Okay, and here we select this center line and we create center line from this point. So select this point and make the line, make sure it is vertical. Okay, and here we select line, we create the line from up to here, this point to this point, and we make the angle from this line to this line. So go to the smart dimension, select this line and this line, this angle will be 30 degree, so make it 30 degree, and here we select this line and this point and make this gap 15 mm. Okay, and here we do one thing, we make the mirror of this sketch. So go to the mirror command, now select this line and select mirror about. So simply select this center line. Okay, and here we trim this unwanted portion. So trim this one this also, and here we apply the fillet to all corners. So go to the fillet and make the fillet of 5 radius. Okay, and simply select drag and select this one. So here do one thing, we make the circular pattern to this sketch. So go to the pattern and here we option circular pattern. Okay, and it will ask parameter, so simply select this center point, and here we select all this line separately. Select this one, and here we need 6 number, so in tensage will be 6 number. Okay, so look how we create, and here we make the extrude cut. So go to the feature, now select extrude cut, and here we make the extrude cut up to 48 mm. Okay, and now we make the cell feature on this face. So go to the cell command and we make the cell of 1 mm, enter, and select this face. Here we can see the preview. So look how we make the cell. Okay, so here we apply the cell feature, and now select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here we select convert entity. Now select this circle and this circle. Okay, and here we make the extrude cut this portion. So go to the feature, now select extrude cut and make the extrude cut 45 mm. Okay, and now here we apply the fillet to this face. So go to the fillet command and make the fillet of 5 radius, so make it 5, and now select face, better to select face. Okay, now here we apply the fillet. So one thing remaining, here we forget to apply the fillet, so again select this face also. And here we also apply the fillet to this corner. So again go to the fillet, and here we make the fillet of 2 radius. Select this line, and it's better to try to apply all internal loop, so it will selected all this loop edges where we want to apply the fillet. Okay, so here we apply all the fillet to this edge, and we apply the fillet on this top face also. So go to the fillet, and here we also apply the 2 mm radius. So select this face, so it will automatically select all these edges. Okay, and here we also apply the fillet to this face. So go to the fillet and here we apply fillet of 2 mm. Select this face, so separately select, okay, and here we select all this one and apply the fillet also. Again do one thing, we select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here we create circle. So select circle and we create circle from this point to make sure it is tangent to this circle, okay, and here we create one more circle. So go to the circle and from this center point we create second circle up to here, and go to the smart dimension and make this circle 205 dia, okay, and we make the extrude. So go to the feature, now select extrude boss base and extrude this one up to 2 mm and make it reverse. So it's better to apply 1.5 is sufficient, okay. So here we design this first part of this tiffin box and spices box. So here we apply the material. So go to the appearance, now here we select the plastic and here we select texture plastic, select this one and here we apply this material. So select, simply drag and apply to this body, so it will select it. So look how we apply this material to this body, this plastic body, so it looks very beautiful. Look how we create this one, and later we apply the mold feature in future to make this in production like. So here we are second part of this tiffin box. So save it, first save it. So go to the file, now here we select save as and we select desktop. Here we create new folder and okay, here we select part 1 body, save as, okay. Now here we create second part of this tiffin box. So go to the file, now select new, here we select part, okay, and here we change the background to plain white. Again go to the top plane, right click, sketch, normal, here we select circle and we create circle from this origin point, okay, and go to the smart dimension and make it only 205 diameter, and here we this sketch and extrude only 12 mm. So go to the extrude boss base and extrude this one up to 12 mm, okay, and here we select this face, sketch, normal, and here we select circle, and we create circle from this center point up to here. Now go to the smart dimension and select this circle and make this one 175 dia, okay, and we go to the feature, now select extrude cut and make the extrude cut only 3 mm, so make it 3 mm. Okay, and here we apply the fillet. So go to the fillet and we apply the fillet of 1.5 mm. Select this face and this edge. Okay, and here we create this fillet to this tiffin box, and again we select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here we create circle. So select this circle and we create from this center point one circle up to here. Again we select the circle and create second circle here. Now exit this sketch, go to the center line and now select this center line, make sure it is vertical. Again select this center line and make sure it is horizontal. Okay, now here we select line, this line, and we create the line from this point to this point. So here we give the offset of 4 mm, select, and here we apply bidirectional, so it comes both direction. Here we make the trim, so select this trim, select this line, this line, this also, delete this one and delete this also, and this one. So look how we delete this line also, and one thing remaining here, so delete this one also. Okay, and here we make the extrude cut to this face. So go to the feature, now select extrude cut and make the extrude cut 3 mm inside. And here we apply the fillet of 1 mm. So go to the fillet and we make the fillet of 1 mm, enter. Now select this one, this line, select top, so it's better to select face, so it will selected all this one, and here remaining select this corner also. This corner, this also select, and this one. Okay, here we apply the fillet to this one also, and here we make the shell to this face. So do one thing, we make the fillet here also. So select this fillet and we make the fillet of 2 mm, enter. Now select this edge. Okay, and here we apply the cell command. So go to the cell feature. Now select this one, and here we make the cell of 0.5 mm, and here we select cell outward. Okay, so look how we create this tiffin cap. So here we apply the material. So go to the appearance, and here we select texture clear plastic, and we select frosted plastic, and here we give some color to this cap, box cap. So select this one, double click on it, and make little blue so it looks better. Okay, and make it like this one. So save it, go to the file, now select save as, and here we save. Okay, now go to the file, select new, and here we select assembly. Okay, so we assemble both parts. So here go to the insert component, here we select part 1 body, simply select and drag here. Now change the background to plain white. Okay, and here we go to the insert component, and here we select part 2 cap body. Okay, and here we go to the mate, select this face, circular face, and this face, and here we make the relation concentric. Okay, and simply okay, now select this body and make it float, drag this one also, make it fixed. Now here go to the mate, select this face and this face. So we apply this mate also here. So look how we create this simple tiffin box and spices box in SolidWorks. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and project. Thanks for watching.